If you want your designs to instantly stand out in 2025, a gradient background is one of the easiest ways to give your work a polished, modern look. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social post, or just playing with ideas, today I'll walk you through exactly how to create a stunning gradient background in Canva, step by step, and no design experience needed. Start by opening the Canva design you want to work on. Once your project is in front of you, click directly on the background of the page. This tells Canva that you're editing the base layer, whether it's a blank canvas or something you're updating. Now, look for the color icon. You'll usually see it in the top toolbar, but depending on your setup, it might appear on the side panel. Click it, and a color panel will pop up with different shades and hues to choose from. Inside that panel, you'll see an option for gradients, and that's where the fun begins. Gradients smoothly blend two or more colors together, adding depth and personality to your background. Browse the available gradient options and pick one that matches your project's style or mood. If you're following a brand color palette or aiming for a certain vibe, this is a great moment to reflect that. Here's a quick tip. Think about the rest of your design before locking in your gradient. If you plan to place text, icons, or photos over it, choose colors that support those elements instead of overpowering them. Gradients can be soft and subtle or bold and dramatic, so aim for contrast and clarity. With just a few clicks, you've now transformed your background into something eye-catching and professional. This small change can completely refresh your design and make it feel intentional and elevated. Don't be afraid to play with different options. Experimenting is the fastest way to discover what works best. Try a few styles and watch how the mood of your project changes with each one. Now you've got everything you need to create gorgeous gradient backgrounds in Canva for any project this year. If this helped, stick around for more quick design guides and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy designing.